Hello and welcome to the test 1 review. The first question is going to be like this. You're going to get a number something like 841,063,297, and then it's going to give you three of the digits, and it's going to ask you which place it's in. So if it asks you for the 2, you're going to say the hundreds, 6 the 10,000s, the 7 the ones. Make sure you spell it right with the S at the end. If it asked you for the 9, you would say the tens. The 3 is in the thousands. The 0 is in the 100,000s. The 1 is in the millions. The 4 is in the 10 millions. And the 8 is in the 100 millions. The next type of question is going to write out the number. So let's say it says 555,028. So here you would have 555,000. We don't have any hundreds, and it is 28. Next, you're going to get one like a lot of them in the homework where it had a number line. And let's say this is C 59500. 59600, 1, 2, 3, and this one is A and B. So it's going to ask you which one is A, and you see how in between there are 250. Or 25 rather. This is 59,500, 59,525, 59,550, 59,575, 59,600. So A would be at 59,575. This one is 3 more, so 59,575. This one is 3 dashes less, so 59,425. So you can have one that has something that has 3 numbers and the 3 letters just like that. Then you're going to have one where you need to round. Let's say that you have 58420 and round to the nearest thousand. This is the thousand, so you're going to look at the one right past it, and it's a 4, which is less than a 5. So when you round this, it will be 58,000. However, let's say you have 58,520. Since this 5 is bigger, it's going to become 59,000. Next, you're going to have one where, just like in the homework, where you had a pie chart of how much money someone spent. And let's say food is $311. You had something for $467, $233, and $389. And it just asks what the total the person spent. So you just add these up: 311, 389, 467, 233. So that's 10, 20, 10, 19, 20, 6 and 6 is 12, and 2, $1,400 per month. The next one you have will just be adding 2 numbers. Let's say you have 30 plus 32. Just add the 2 numbers up and get 62. Next, you'll add up four numbers. So let's say 1020 plus 48 plus 4802 plus 595. Easiest way to do this is just to put them in a column. So we're going to have 1020 plus 48 plus 4802 plus 595. And we add these up. 6, 13, 14, 5, 6. In this one, it is going to be 6,465. So whatever numbers you get, all you're going to do is add them. The next one you have, there will be a word problem, and it says that Vincent earns $192 on Monday, and he earns $437 on Tuesday. How much total money does he make? And so you just add these two numbers, 9, 12, 5, $600 and 29 cents, or $629. The next one is you're going to subtract. So the first one is fairly easy. It's just going to be two-digit numbers. So 85 minus 53, and that equals 32. Next, you'll have something like 7230 minus 2945. Again, the easiest way to do this is to do it vertically. So 2945. When you subtract this, you're going to get 4,285. Then you'll have something like 30,000 minus 18. When you subtract that, you're going to get 29,982. Next, you'll have another one, word problem of money. And let's say that the person gets 192 on Monday and 437 on Tuesday. How much more did she earn on Tuesday? So you're going to subtract 437 minus 192. You're going to get 5, 4, 245. So on that one, you're just going to subtract instead of add. Next, you're going to have some where you're multiplying. So let's say that you're multiplying 59 times 63. Again, the easiest way to do this is vertically. So 59, 63. When you multiply this, you're going to get 27, 15 and 2 is 17. Here it's 54, 30, and 5. Add these together, and you're going to get 37, 17. Then you'll have one that is, let's say one that you do an area of a rectangle, and one side is 23 and the other is 14. So to find the area, you just multiply the two numbers. 23 times 14, and 12, 8 and 9, and 23. Add these together, and you will get 322. You'll also have one where you multiply bigger numbers. Let's say you have 257 times 998. So 257, 998. You multiply the 8, you get 6, 40 and 5 is 45, 16 and 4 is 20, then 9, 63, 45 and 6 is 51, 18 and 5 is 23. In this example, it's another 9, so it makes it a little bit easier. 2, 3, 1, 3 again. Now when we add these up, we get 6, 8, 4, 5, 6, 2,252. So in this one, the answer is 256,486. Next, you're going to do another area type problem. It's going to be a word problem. And the one that I have here is how many square feet of carpet are needed to cover the floor of a rectangular room that is 16 by 18. So you're just going to multiply 18 by 16. When we do that, 48, 10, 18, 288 square feet. Next, you're going to say, let's say Desmond is 7 inches taller than Jane. Write an algebraic expression for Desmond's height, and you're supposed to use a W. Make sure that you use whatever letter they tell you to, because the computer will mark you wrong. And here, you don't need to solve. All you're going to write is W plus 7. So remember, the important thing here is to use whatever letter they tell you. Next, you're just going to simplify something like 6 squared. That means 6 times 6, which is 36. Then you're going to write something like 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 in exponential form. So we know we have a 4. Our exponent is going to be how many times we're multiplying 4. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4 to the 5. Next, you're going to have something like -2 raised to the 3. So remember, this 3 is only going to affect what's right in front of it, which is the 2. So we're going to have -2 times 2 times 2, which equals -8. And then we'll have something like 6 plus 4 times 5. The point of this one is to make sure you're doing the order of operations first. So we're going to do the multiplication first. So I'll have 6 plus 4 times 5 is 20. Add those together, and we get 26. So that's the first half of the test. Come back for the second video to get the second half.